Queen has a new mission for you guys. From the Queen, what is it? This is an element. This stone contains unimaginable power. There are many of these hidden in other realms. The Queen wants you to find some of these. Okay, we're on the Queen can count on us. Exodius and I will go and find one of the elements. Damien, you will go and find another element yourself. Once we find everything, we'll meet back at the castle. Step. Your touch, I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave. We found an element. Between. 'Cause when you knock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating. What? I see this power, these elements. You're zealous. Exodius, join me. We can become stronger together without the Queen. We will never join you. You're crazy. What happened to Damien? Damien is gone. I am now dark control. Yay! Boom. Ow. Boom. Step, bang, boom. Oh, bang. Oh, bang. Boom. Ow. Step. The past is just a memory that fades away. To be continued. Spooky. Whoa. Directed by some guy I've never heard of. Song by Kilobyte. Animation by EthanAnimatez Ninja Lust in Cosmic. Fight choreography by Ethan. Assistant fight choreography by Bian. A layout composition by Ethan. Storyboarding by Ethan again and Crystal Paul. Thank me for making this video.